What's up guys, this is the easiest way and the best way to remove the background on Photoshop. We are going to use this picture as an example. This is just 1 minute video and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can remove the background on Photoshop. Now what you want to do guys, you want to just open your Photoshop and after that just wait a few seconds to load. Alright, now what you want to do guys, you want to just select the picture that you want to remove the background. Let's say we are going to remove the background on this picture. What you want to do guys, the first thing guys you need to do is to click this lock as you can see at the very bottom. Alright, now after you click this lock guys, it will disappear. That's what we want. Make sure it disappears here, it doesn't appear again. Now what you want to do guys, the second thing guys, which is the last thing to do to remove the background, is to click on properties. As you can see, this is properties. If you don't see here properties, you want to click on window in the top. After you click on window, you want to then select properties in case you don't have it right now. Now if you have properties, that's what we want. You want to just scroll down. Okay, here we can click on it and then scroll down and then click on remove background. If you don't see it, click on quick actions. Maybe it's like this. Click on it and then click on remove background. Now you want to wait. As you can see here, we successfully have removed the background. That's how you can do the same thing guys on any photo you want on Photoshop. I hope guys this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment in a few hours. So leave a like on this video if this video helped you. See you guys in the next video.